Eat my breakfast. Eat my breakfast. Wash my face. Wash my face. Brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. My hair. Dry my hair. Read a book. Read a book. Snooze the alarm. Snooze the alarm. Mow the lawn. Mow the lawn. Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. Make my bed. Make my bed. Go to school. Go to school. Switch off the light. Switch off the light. Do the laundry. Do the laundry. Ride my bike. Ride my bike. Toast my bread. Toast my bread. Kick the ball. Kick the ball. Vacuum the floor. Vacuum the floor.
Hi, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more videos that will help you to learn and improve your English.